Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to upload our website to Hostinger. It's a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your account and click on websites. And these are the websites which I have right now. But one has website connected to my primary domain and the other one which I recently added a domain but it doesn't have any website. But the process for both of these are the same, so just remember that. So I'm going with the existing website. Why? Because we need to do one more thing when we are going to upload our website. Let's say you don't have a new domain and you want to upload a website to your existing domain. So what you're going to do is just click on manage and here you just click on file manager. After that, click on public HTML and you can see that we have that website over here already. But if you want to upload a new one, what you can do is a very simple thing. Just click on new folder, name that website anything. So I'm going with the new website. Click on create and here you are going to upload your website. Click on the top right corner, upload, and you can upload that from over here. But make sure that your website is in a zip file, otherwise it won't work. And once we import a zip file, we can extract that over here. Make sure to upload a zip file. So in my case, as you can see, I have both of them. So I'm going with the zip file. It might take some time, so just remember that. So at the bottom, you will see that how much speed it would take and how many seconds are remaining. I'm gonna wait for a while. So I have uploaded my website. Just click on this and click on extract. Select the folder where you want to extract it. Once you extract, as you can see, this is the website which we extracted. Click on this and we are going to select all of them and we are going to move them to my new website folder. How you can do that? Just click on this and as you can see, we just move them over here. Delete the zip file and that's it. This is all you need to know how to upload website to Hostinger. We just uploaded our website over here and I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.